What's up, America? Neil here with Geauga Firearms Academy. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to do a video pretty short here. This is a real quick one for you guys. I see this happen on the range all the time. This is about clearing a malfunction, port up or port down. I see a lot of students make this mistake, so real quick, students will have the port up because it's ergonomic when they do this, and then they're clearing whatever malfunction they have, and then they end up in a situation where they make it worse because the brass, instead of falling on the ground, ends up back in the gun. So easy solution to this is just make sure that the port is down when you're clearing a malfunction, or depending on how you do this, I teach the slingshot method. Okay, this way, quick. You can watch videos on why I do that. So you can come all the way upside down to clear it as well, because the port is obviously down in that case, and then the brass will fall free. So hopefully that's helpful. Remember, it's better to be judged by 12 than carried by 6.